So I'm going to show you how you can change your age on your TikTok account. So we're just going to go into TikTok and then click on your profile. So once you're in your profile, you want to click on the three lines in the top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll down and find the feature that says report a problem. And then once you're in, you want to click on account and profile. And then what you want to click on is editing profile. And then you want to scroll down and click on other. And then you want to scroll down again and then click need more help. And then all you want to do from here is type in and tell TikTok that you want to change your age on your TikTok account. Alright, so basically what you have to do is tell TikTok that you entered your age wrong, and then obviously you have to make your message more formal than mine. Once you finish that, you just click submit. And then in about a day or two, once you finish submitting, TikTok will reach back to you and they may ask for you to supply them with a photo ID. So you might have to do that, but that is how you change your age on your TikTok.